Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in today's episode, we are going to discuss about your digital existence. So as a person, as a developer, as a IT professional, you are just a name, right? Let's say you have some name. So that name is nobody knows who is that person. So that name is just a label, right? But what you do, what you have done, and what is your capacity, and what is your work experience. So, all these things are hidden. Nobody knows. And the world is so big, like, there are millions of people, millions of developers, millions of IT professionals are there. So, the main question is, how will you stand out of the crowd? So, people will say, like, they can find your profile on LinkedIn, but on LinkedIn, like, most of the people are not so active. So they just have made a profile, they have just added their experience, and that's it, right? So the same thing has followed by plenty of people, right? So a lot of people are already there who have already done the same. They have just signed up on LinkedIn and they have just kept it as it is. They are not even active. They just scroll it up and down, and they don't even post content. They don't even engage. They don't even comment, like, or anything. They just keep on scrolling. So these kind of profiles are completely dead profiles. Nobody knows about them. And obviously, if you are one of them, then you are in the same crowd. Nobody will recognize you. So whenever an HR person, right, let's say there is an opening for a particular role, and if they want to hire, like, let's say there is a requirement of 10 years of experience with this particular skill set of, like, React.js, Angular or JavaScript skill set for the front end role, and when they search it on LinkedIn, so there is a very less probability that your profile will appear in that search results. And if you are at the 10th position of that first search result, so nobody will come to you, nobody will ping you that this is the opening. And that is the main reason that you're just getting a lot of opportunities, you're just missing a lot of opportunities, and they're completely lost. You're just away from the game. So the main reason, the main topic of this episode is that how you can boost your LinkedIn profile, how you can appear in the searches. And that is what is the most important thing that you need in this year, that is in 2025. Because as you can see, like, a lot of people are introvert. They don't have digital existence. They don't have any web portal. They don't even have a LinkedIn profile. Means they are not even active. So if they are not active, so what is the use of that profile? But you can make an impression, and you can create an impressive LinkedIn footprint, right? So first thing first is, first you have to be very active on LinkedIn, and that is, you have to comment and you have to like the content which is very relevant to your profile or your interest. Let's say if I'm targeting Angular developer roles in front end, so in that case, I'll make connections with all the people who are in that domain, who are in the same industry, who are working on the same technology. And that is the best way of networking. Second thing, I will post the comments on the blogs, on the topics, on the posts which are on Angular. Third way is, I can write blogs. I can write something, I can write some content regarding Angular, new concepts, new features, whatever is the controversy in Angular, anything, anything related to Angular. So I will post it, and that is the main barrier, like, most of the people face, because they feel that people will judge them. and that is where 90% of the crowd is bifurcated. So if you are willing to make an impression, so you have to be very much bold, you have to be very much shameless. Who knows who are you, right? Like whatever, if let's say if I'm posting something, and if like 10, like almost 9 to 10 people are there who are watching it, and they are judging me, right? So what, does it make a difference? No, it does not make any difference, because I am making my impression, and people are there to judge you, and that will not harm you, that will not make any kind of difference in your life, because people are there to judge you, and you have to do your work, right? If it is beneficial for you, so definitely you have to do it. So if I post it, if anything, so people will look at it, they will judge it, and that's the day one. But after few days, if I'm doing it again and again, if I'm posting content, so those are the people who will engage in that content. They will like, or let's say, why to expect if they like it or not. But if it brings the value addition to your profile, if it is a magnet to attract the HR people, so that is the most essential thing that you should do. So that is the third thing, like keep on writing some blogs about that concept, about anything, whatever you feel, keep on sharing that content. And the fourth one is, that is the most difficult task as an introvert, that you should conduct some sessions, you should conduct some podcasts, you should conduct some live sessions on LinkedIn, and or like you can create a community group, right? So that's the, like only 1% of the people can do that, right? So these are the ways how you can make a difference on LinkedIn, and you can use it as a tool to grab your dream job. Alright guys, so let's quickly summarize what we have talked. So if you are stuck in your job, or if you're not getting the much needed attention, so you should have a digital footprint, you should have a digital appearance, digital existence of your profile, and you can do it through LinkedIn. There are a lot of other platforms as well, but LinkedIn is the most effective networking platform at the moment. And if you're not, if you have a profile and if you're not active on LinkedIn, so it's of no use. So to be active, you should like, comment, you should like the content which is very much relevant to you. You should comment genuine comments, you should put some genuine comments on the post. Third thing is, you should write some blogs, you should write some posts, and you should share something about that particular topic, so that it will make an impression about that particular keyword. Fourth thing is, you should conduct some live sessions, you should record some podcasts, and that will make a huge difference, right? And like, this is all, you have to follow this consistently, and that will attract the people which are there, and definitely it makes a difference. I have seen it. So yeah, so this is my way to pass the information to you. I hope it is useful. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.